Have you ever wondered about the most beautiful places in Angola? Today, we are embarking on a thrilling journey across this captivating African nation. We'll explore the top 30 most stunning locations, each offering a unique blend of awe-inspiring natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. From vast savannas to bustling cityscapes, Angola's diverse landscapes are a feast for the eyes. So are you ready to start the journey? Buckle up as we begin the countdown. Starting at number 30, we have the charming town of Benguela, a coastal paradise known for its picturesque port and captivating colonial architecture. At 29, the spellbinding Iona National Park, home to a vast array of wildlife, including the elusive giant sable antelope. Next at 28 is the mesmerizing Tunda Vala Fissure, an awe-inspiring volcanic scar on the landscape, offering panoramic views of the surrounding highlands. At 27, we find ourselves at the foot of Mount Moko, Angola's highest peak. For those with a thirst for adventure, a hike up this mountain is a must. Finally, at 26, we have the Calendula Falls, one of Africa's largest waterfalls. The sheer power and beauty of this natural wonder is something that truly must be experienced to be fully appreciated. And that was just the beginning. Let's move on to the next group of amazing places. Moving forward, at number 25, we find the bustling city of Cabinda. This coastal gem is a hub of vibrant culture, amazing cuisine, and stunning beaches, a true testament to Angola's urban charm. Coming in at 24 is the picturesque town of Lubango, nestled in the hills and offering breathtaking views that will leave you spellbound. At 23, we have the captivating Calendula Waterfalls. The sheer power and beauty of this natural spectacle is a sight to behold, making it a must-visit for nature lovers. Next, at number 22, is the Cunene River. This majestic river is a lifeline for many local communities and a source of stunning landscapes. Finally, at 21, we have the historic city of Mbanza, Congo. Once the capital of the Kingdom of Congo, this city is steeped in rich history and culture, offering a unique glimpse into Angola's past. Are you excited to discover more? Stay tuned. Taking the 20th spot on our list is the captivating Calendula Falls. With its powerful cascade of water that crashes into the Lucala River, this spectacle is a sight to behold. Moving on to number 19, we have the bustling city of Benguela. Its colonial architecture and vibrant marketplaces are a feast for the eyes, and its people, a testament to the warm Angolan spirit. At 18, we find the serene and tranquil black stones of Pungo Andongo. These mysterious rock formations invite you to lose yourself in their allure. Next, at number 17, we have the mesmerizing Miradoro de Lua, or viewpoint of the moon. Its otherworldly landscapes will make you feel like you've landed on a different planet. And finally, at 16, we're drawn to the awe-inspiring Iona National Park, home to an array of stunning wildlife and breathtaking landscapes. We're getting closer to the top. Keep journeying with us. Entering the top half of the list, at number 15, we have the mesmerizing Tazua Falls. This natural wonder cascades down rugged cliffs, creating a stunning spectacle that will leave you in awe. Moving on to number 14, the Calendula Falls. Known for its impressive width and thunderous roar, this waterfall is a display of nature's raw power. Next, at number 13, let's explore the Cunene River. This lifeline of southern Angola is a haven for wildlife and a hub for local communities. At number 12, we find ourselves at the expansive Iona National Park, which is a paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers alike. Finally, at number 11, we have the awe-inspiring Leba Mountain. With its winding road and breathtaking views, this mountain is a testament to Angola's diverse landscape. We're about to break into the top 10. Are you ready? Cracking the top 10, at number 10 is the Luanda Plateau. This sprawling expanse of lush savanna is a sight to behold. Its rolling hills offer breathtaking views that will make your heart skip a beat. Moving on to number 9, we have the serene Calendula Falls. This waterfall is one of the largest by volume in Africa, offering a spectacle of nature's raw power in a tranquil setting. At number 8, we find the stunning black rocks at Pungo Andongo. These massive monoliths are a geological wonder that will leave you awestruck. Coming in at number 7 is the vibrant city of Benguela. Immerse yourself in its rich history, stunning architecture, and lively culture. Number 6 takes us to the vast plains of Iona National Park. The park's diverse wildlife and surreal landscapes make it a paradise for nature lovers. Now, brace yourself for the top 5 most beautiful places in Angola. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. At number 5, we have the captivating Calandula Falls. With its thunderous cascades and lush surroundings, it's easy to see why this natural wonder has made the list. It's not just a waterfall, it's a symphony of sight and sound that leaves visitors spellbound. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves at the breathtaking Tundavala Gap. Nestled in the highlands, this natural formation offers panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. The sheer drop into the void below is both thrilling and awe-inspiring, a testament to the raw power of nature. At number 3, we're transported to the charming city of Benguela. This coastal delight is a harmonious blend of historic architecture and stunning beaches. The timeless charm of this city is palpable, with its colonial-era buildings and vibrant cultural scene. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the mesmerizing Sangano Beach. This coastal gem is a slice of paradise, with its golden sands, azure waters, and serene atmosphere. It's the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun, making it a must-visit destination in Angola. Finally, at number 1, we have the majestic Iona National Park. This wildlife haven is an enchanting blend of savanna, forest, and riverine ecosystems, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Witnessing elephants, giraffes, and other wildlife in their natural habitat is an unforgettable experience that cements Iona as the most beautiful place in Angola. And that's our top 5. But don't go anywhere just yet. We have a quick recap for you. Let's revisit our top 5 most beautiful places in Angola. First, we have the majestic Calandula Falls. This breathtaking natural wonder is one of the largest waterfalls by volume in Africa. Its thunderous roars and misty rainbows are a spectacle that will leave you in awe. Nestled in the heart of the Malanje province, the Calandula Falls are not only a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Angola, but also a symbol of its resilience and strength. Next on our list is the surreal Miradouro da Lua, or Moon Viewpoint. With its otherworldly landscape of jagged cliffs and deep ravines, this place truly feels like a slice of the moon on Earth. Located just south of Luanda, it's a must-see for anyone seeking a unique, out-of-this-world experience. Third, we have the vibrant city of Benguela. With its charming colonial architecture, bustling markets, and stunning beaches, Benguela is a city that perfectly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. It's a city that invites you to immerse yourself in its rhythm and energy. Our fourth pick is the serene and tranquil Iona National Park. Home to a diverse range of wildlife, from elephants to sea turtles, the park offers an unparalleled opportunity to connect with nature. It's a place where you can witness the harmony of life in its purest form. And finally, we have the mystical Tundavala Gap. This dramatic cliff edge provides an unparalleled view of the vast plains below. It's a place that reminds us of the grandeur and mystery of our world, a place that truly takes your breath away. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the most beautiful places in Angola. We hope this inspires you to explore and appreciate the beauty of this incredible country.